It's day 6 and we are back. 6 days in a row. We are again back and it's a great day. It's a weekend. It's a Saturday today and it's an amazing day today. And today we are also gonna discuss about a little bit about risk management in the stock market, a little bit about how we can diversify in different sectors and why we should be mapping our brains to these 2 points, 2 key points of diversification and risk management. Very important. Risk cannot be discounted. Risk is gonna be there. It's stock market. And what is important is we have to be managing the risks and we have to be able to manage risks through diversification and risk management. Simply putting 5% of our capital in one stock. If we have a total portfolio of 10 lakhs and if we have a capital of 10 lakh rupees, then we can only put 50,000 in that one stock. In one stock, we are not gonna put more than 50,000. So that is a rule we need to follow. And diversification, we can what we can do is we can invest in more than one sectors, not only one sector. Let's say we have one stock in banking sector, other stock in oil and gas sector, other stock in IT sector, other stock in energy sector, and another stock in pharma sector, and so on. So we can diversify the sectors and we can manage this. So now we are going to go straight away into the charts. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in the charts, and this is first I'm going to talk about Black Box. Black Box is a stock where we would have invested in the month of January of 2020. Not maybe January, but later on, maybe October of 2020. January and October was good opportunity to buy in 2020 because it went up after that, and you can see here this was a good opportunity to buy Black Box around this point, anywhere after this, and then we have to sell it at here. In the next few months, less than 1 year, we could have made a decent profit, maybe from 130 rupees to 230 rupees. So almost 80% profit in 1 year. So this was good opportunity to buy in 2020. And now again we have a opportunity, good opportunity in the making in Black Box, and in the month of June of 2024, from where in the month of June, July, we can see it could go up again. It may consolidate also a little bit here because it has a resistance of this. This is a big resistance, but it could go flying high after 2024 July. It is a possibility. So this is a one stock we should be keeping our eyes open on. Next stock is Home First. Home First is again a new stock. It was IPO. Its IPO was done in February of 2021, and you can see here after that it was going upwards, and now again in the month of June of 2024, it is a good opportunity to buy. Good opportunity to buy here June, and you can see that it is good opportunity to buy in month of June, and this is a good stock. It may go up from here. Next stock I'm going to talk about is Praj Industries. Praj Industries also has done good over the recent past. After 2020, it gave a good move. You can see here from here February of 2021 to it consolidated afterwards. After February of 2021, it was trading around 170 rupees, and then we had to exit at 320 rupees, almost double in 1.5 years, maybe 2 years. This stock was good, Praj Industries. Then again we had to buy it at, now it is a good opportunity to buy here in the month of June. If anybody has bought it, it's good, and maybe if not, then July also is a good basis to buy this stock. Good time to buy. and this is how we do technical analysis, just by analyzing charts and investing in the stock market. And basically what we do is we plot the uptrends, downtrends, and sideways trends. And what we do again afterwards is that we check for breakouts in different time frames. I do only mostly investing, so I only focus on monthly charts. So my breakout structure comes in the monthly charts. So if, for example, I am looking in the month of June for a particular stock which is going to go up, I think is going to go up. For example, Home First is going to go up probably in July. So in the month of June, I'm going to analyze it, and in the month of July, I'm going to take action. If I've got some funds, then what I'll do is I'll invest in July. If I get a confirmation in June by the end of the month. So this is the little bit about stock market investing through technical analysis for beginners, especially for beginners. This is I am doing, and we are doing it, and this is again want to watch out for these three stocks in the future. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you like this content, subscribe, comment, and share, and also hit the like button. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.